I'm Zach with Veurink's RV Center, and I'll be showing you the American Patriot MD2. Over here you have your wet bay area, your city connection there. You do have an outside shower, as well as this valve here which switches you from city and fresh. And down here you do have your sewage connection. Your black on the right, your gray on the left. I do recommend pulling the black tank first and then allowing your gray to flush your sewage hose out for you. Back here you do have a spot for your sewage hose. Right here. You can see we do supply you with one there. We do have your 30 amp cable here. Furnace vent. Back here, you do have all your fuses here. The GFI outlet there. In this bag you'll have a cover to cover your windshield, as well as a sewage hose. The unit does come with a 10-foot sewage hose. We supply you with a 20-foot. Then you do have the option for towing. You have an outside GFI outlet here as well, as well as your propane hookup for filling. So your unit is a diesel. You do have diesel exhaust fluid, which I would check every other time you do gas up or fuel up. The unit is equipped with a screen, and you can lock that in place with the Velcro straps here. And here you have some buttons. You have your battery disconnect, so if you're not going to be using the unit for a while, you can disconnect that so you're not killing your battery. Your interior lights, and then also your Bluetooth. So I'll demonstrate your awning for you. Hit that extend button. And up above here, you do have your spot for your solar charge, because you do have a solar panel on the unit. You have your monitor panel here, your gray, black, fresh battery. We're hooked up to power right now. Your battery is always going to read full. And you have your propane there as well. It goes from empty, 1/3, 2/3, and full. And then you do have your tank heater. You have a tank heater on the unit as well. You do have your pump when you are using your fresh water. Little cable hook up here. You'll want that booster on if you're running off the antenna. You do have your generator, so go ahead and you'll hold that down to prime it up. Once the red light comes on, you can go ahead and start that. And here is for your water heater. You can choose your temperature on that. There we go. Maxes out at 130. And you do have your inverter as well. And to the right here, you do have your fan remote, which will work your fan that's up above there. You choose your fan speed, up, down, temperature. So a nice feature to have there. You do have the 12-volt refrigerator with the freezer on the bottom there. Travel lock. so your door does not come open while you are traveling. Over here, you do have an induction cooktop, so you'll need induction pans to work that. Your sink. You do have a convection oven up here as well as microwave. Up above you do have the fan in the vent there, as well as your shower handle, which does store down there for traveling. You have your sink. You also have a little clothes hanger there, as well as your shower curtain. You do have the foot flush toilet as well. So if you want to set up your table, the pole will be stored in one of your compartments here, and the table will be right behind your driver's seat. And that'll kind of just sit up on top of this pole here, and allow you to have your table. Also, if you want to put this into a bed, you have this board here. Here, let me go this way. And I'll kind of sit down there. So as mentioned before, you do have your bed lift button here, as well as your interior lights. You are equipped with a USB charger there, as well as your 110 outlet. And you do have an HDMI hookup for your TV. Over here you do have a TV as well, your stereo, as well as a Blu-ray player. Again, another interior light button. Your thermostat. Your thermostat's just going to work your AC unit. And then you do have your S-bar, which is just your furnace, because you do have the diesel furnace on this unit. So I'm in the driver's seat. On your steering wheel, you can answer your phone. You can also change your volume. Over here on the stereo, you do have your navigation, as well as you can answer your phone, hook your phone up to this. You do have apps. Down here you do have crash detection, as well as a blind spot detector. So your seats on the unit do swivel. You have a little lever down here. I'll spin that around, and it'll lock into place.